Hi YouTube, I'm back. It's been a hot minute. I need to stop starting every single video with that line. But today, as you can probably tell by the pile behind me, we're gonna be doing a giant PR unboxing. I've been putting this off for months. I've had all of these boxes sitting here and it's time for me to open them and show you guys all of the free goodies I've gotten over the past few months. Usual disclaimer, I'm super grateful for all of these brands for sending me these packages. If you guys didn't know, TikTok is my main platform. I'll post my username here so you guys can follow me there, but I post beauty content every single day over there. So if you want to see any like future deeper dives on any of these products, that's where you're gonna see them. This one first here from Revolution. Most of these too I've already opened because I just cannot help myself, but half of them I already forgot what's in them. So let's get into this. Oh, they're called Blush Icon, I guess. These are gonna be at Ulta Beauty and Target from Revolution. It looks like these little 3 palette blushers that we're used to from a lot of different brands now actually. Yes, so it's got the little like 3 blush component. Ugh, I hate the stickers. Oh, okay. So we have cream, powder, and like a little like highlight. This is so similar to like the Patrick Ta blushes or the One Size blushes, but I'm actually so excited to try these. It's like they sent over 4 shades. We have this gorgeous pink one. This one's really interesting because this looks like almost peachy, but these ones are like berry, but that's so pretty. I don't know if the bubble wrap was necessary. This one, oh, I'm a sucker for a peach, you guys. I'm gonna have to dig into this one immediately. Thank you so much, Revolution. This package here is from L'Oreal. This is their Everpure sulfate-free color care system. It's like we got the shampoo, the conditioner, and then we also got the glossing 5-minute lamination mask. I'm really excited to try this. Thank you so much, L'Oreal. This one is next here, this brown box. This one's from Pharmacy. This is really cute. I did have to shove this all back in this box and none of it fit, but they sent me a hat. And then looks like we got their Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. We got the Wake Up Honey Eye Cream. I love a good eye cream. I don't even know if this is focusing. We also got the Honey Milk Hydrating Essence. This is like a really nice milky toner. We also got the Lip Smoothie. I love a lip mask. And then I didn't even realize, there's literally a tote bag at the bottom of this. Stop. I've been wanting a cute tote bag. Oh, it's huge. I love this so much. Thank you so much, Pharmacy. I'm assuming these next 2 boxes are from the same place, but let's break into this and see. Ooh, this is Polite Society. They sent over their Polite Society Polite Pops Powder Blush Stick. This is in the shade Malibu. I feel like I already have these. And they also sent over the shade Miami, a really pretty pink. And these are their Polite Pout Glossy Lip Balms. I actually really like these. I'm gonna forget about them, but they are really, really pretty. Jelly Bean and Peach Bellini. Assuming this one is also from Polite Society. Oh, yes. Okay. I've been seeing these bronzers all over my FYP. This is their new Cabana Club Blurring Bronzer. It's talc-free, hyaluronic acid, soft focus, and then they sent over shade Club Tropicana. I am so excited to use this. From what I see, it's like a cream to powder formula, but you can apply it like a regular powder bronzer, and everybody's been raving about these. Then they sent over the most insane lip plumper ever. If you want a lip plumper that burns the hell out of your lips but plumps really well, this one is incredible. And this is in this shimmer shade, which I haven't tried, so I'm very excited to try this. Thank you so much, Polite Society. Love you. This little one here is from Well People. I've actually never tried anything from Well People. Looks like they sent over their Day Gleamer. Looks like this is an SPF. Perfect. I love a good SPF, especially in Florida. This is their Day Gleamer Mineral Sunscreen Serum Broad Spectrum SPF 34. Thank you, Well People. We got Clinique. This is their Activate Your Glow Moisture Surge Active Glow Serum. You guys know how iconic Clinique Moisture Surge is. Then they came out with a whole entire line. This is the Active Glow Serum. I'm so, so excited. I have the driest skin and I love a good hydration serum. Thank you, Clinique. This next package is from Half Magic. I love Half Magic. They're crystal butter bombs. I'm so excited about these. Look how freaking cute. I'm dead. The cutest little like case for it. I love the vibes. I'm here for it. It's like a really pretty cute silver packaging. And then they did send over 4 shades. I have no choice but to open one. I think I'm gonna open Celebrity so I can see if the glitter is really that intense. This is the packaging first of all. It's like cardboard, which I love. Look at that. Ooh, I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but that is stunning. With the case, are you kidding? I'm gonna attach this to my bag immediately. Thank you so much, Half Magic. Next we have 2 packages from Benefit Club Pink. This one here is Love Artually. We have Precisely My Brow Wax. This one's in shade 4. I am a shade 4. We have my favorite brow pencil of all time, Precisely My Brow Pencil shade 4. And then we did get a new Precisely My Brow Detailer, again in shade 4. My absolute favorite. Thank you so much, Benefit. Okay, one more. Let's see what's in this one. We have Benefit, the full package. Ooh, some goodies. Okay, Professional Super Setter Setting Spray. Then we have an icon. This is Roller Lash. You know her, you love her. She's really good for curling and in black. Cookie Highlight, 24-hour brow setter. I also have about 8 of these. And Benetint. You can never go wrong with Benetint. We have Persona. I have never tried anything from Persona, but they are now available at Ulta Beauty. Looks like they sent over 3 of their Dream Sticks. We have 2 bronzers and a blush. It looks so, so cute. And they did send over their eyeliner. This is a 24-hour waterproof liner in the shade Chocolate. I love the packaging. So excited to try those out. Thank you so much, Persona. Step, another brown box. Ooh, One Size. We have the One Size On Till Dawn. This is the glitter setting spray, you guys. I am so pumped to use this. It looks so, so gorgeous. And also, shout out my friend Ivan. I met Ivan at 2023 Benefit Brow Search, and it was amazing. He is so incredibly talented, and it's so cool to see someone that I know on a campaign. The Ultimate Party Baddie Pack, which is Secure the Sweat Primer. This is really, really good, especially for these hot, humid days in Florida. This is going to keep your makeup locked on. We have a mini of the translucent setting powder. I really love the One Size setting powders. They are some of the best on the market, and the mini is so cute. And then a mini of the One Size On Till Dawn, the most iconic setting spray I think literally ever, and I go through this like water, so I'm so excited to have another little backup. Thank you so, so much, One Size. Next one. Oh, this is a little package from Hemp. Looks like we have this cutie little bag here, and it has the Stardust Body Moisturizer, which is Passion Fruit and Wild Orchid, the lip gloss as well. Thank you, Hemps. This next one is hefty. We got one from L'Occitane. Crazy that I get PR from L'Occitane. They are bougie, but they literally sent me a journal. Things like this I think are so cool. This cannot be real life. This is the 5-minute journal, the simplest thing you can do to start your day happier. Science-backed guided gratitude journal to shift your mind to a state of optimism. Stop. It has like all these different pages where you can fill in like things you're grateful for. This is so sweet. It shows about gratitude, fill in the blanks, commitments. I'm gonna use the absolute crap out of this. Thank you so much, L'Occitane. That is so sweet. Then we also got the, I can never pronounce these because they're all in French. The Amande. Looks like this is a moisturizer maybe? Milk concentrate. We got the Dry Skin Foot Cream. I love their hand cream. And then we also got the Immortal Divine Youth Cream. This is probably gonna go to my mom. Thank you so, so much, L'Occitane. Okay, we got a couple bigger ones from Morphe. This says Let There Be Light. And these are their new like cloud set little finishing setting powders. These are so gorgeous. I've actually been wanting to break into these. I tried out this lightest shade and it is absolutely gorgeous. And these darker shades as bronzers are Chef's Kiss. These remind me a lot of the MAC like baked powders. So, so pretty. We got Touchland. You guys, this is my first ever PR package from Touchland. I screamed when I got this. First of all, they came out with new hair and body mists. They have this whole booklet on everything. And are you kidding me? Every single one of the Touchland fragrances. I bought this pistachio one on my own, and let me tell you, this one's incredible. So I'm so happy they sent these all to me. They smell so, so good. Thank you so much, Touchland. Okay, we're officially one pile down. So moving on to the next pile, we have this one at the top here from Huda Beauty. I get so excited whenever they send me new products. We got this really, really fun, really cute peach colored makeup bag with the giant zipper. I think that is so cute. And then in here are the 3 new shades of her blush filters. These are some of my favorite formulas literally ever, and I can't wait to add these ones to the collection. We have Bubblegum, we have Intense Guava, and we have Sunset Lychee or Lychee. Let me know in the comments because I never know how to pronounce that word. Then of course, Huda always sends me mirrors. I have a little collection going of like all the different colors, but how cute is this peach mirror? I love her. This headband. I feel like this will look so cute with my bob. Thank you so much, Huda. I love you. This next one is from Milk. Ooh. This is for their new Hydro Grip Gel Tint. Oh, it's a poster. That is so cool. This is why I wish I had a beauty room, because I would be hanging all of this shit on my walls. And then looks like they sent over 2 shades of the new Hydro Grip Gel Tints. We got shade 2 and shade 4. They also sent over the brush. Thank you so much, Milk. This next package is from Danessa Myricks, you guys. They reached out to me on Instagram and I have outscreamed. I'm so excited about this. This is their Yummy Skin line. So it looks like we got the glow serum and then the blurring balm powders, which I'm so intrigued by these. They look so cool. But like, hello. We have two of these blurring balm powders, which I'm not even sure what these are, but like, I'm definitely intrigued. We have Universal and we have Universal Radiant. And then these glow serums are brand new. I've seen Lynn's on TikTok talk about these and they look incredible. So we have the Fresh Pressed Main Squeeze and Juice Boost. These are supposed to be universal for every skin tone and I'm so excited to try these. Thank you so much, Danessa Myricks. We got another package from Morphe. Look how cool this is. Literally like a magazine. It has the Beauty A-List issue and this has all of their brand new Wake Up Artist concealers and correctors. This packaging is so cool. Thank you so much, Morphe. This next one is from Revolution. I love when the product falls under the box. You can tell it was supposed to look cute. Let me fix it. We have a giant box for two products. This is their All Day Grip No Stick Grippy Primer. I feel like everyone and their mother is doing a grippy primer. This is really pretty packaging though. I'm excited to try this. This is supposed to hydrate and smooth and it has watermelon extract and amino acids, which is different. That sounds really nice. And then we have the Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray Ultra Matte Finish with aloe and vitamin E. Could this be a dupe? We shall see. Thank you, Revolution. We have another package from Milk. This one is insane. I definitely did open this one and I screamed when I opened it because wait until you see what is in this package. So much good stuff. I'm so excited. I use a lot of Milk products, but there's so many that I still haven't tried and I'm so excited to dig into this. This is for Milk launching at Ulta officially. I'm so excited as an Ulta Beauty employee that we finally have Milk in stores. It has been a long time coming. So this is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You know her, you love her. She's an icon. We have a little mini trio. This is the Galactic Glow multi-use creamy holographic sticks. These look so freaking cool. I love the colors. Then we have a little bundle. This is really good. This is gonna go in my giveaway box because these are all of my favorite products. You get the Hydro Grip Primer, the Hydro Grip Mist, and one of the jelly tints. I use these almost every day. I love them so much. And we have a little one of their sticks. This is their Lip and Cheek in the shade Pep. This would be so pretty for just like every day. And then we also have Pop. I love these red tones. And then we got two more shades of the Hydro Grip Gel Tint. We got 4 and 5. And then you guys, this little bag literally sent all of these accessories because they literally sent me a camera, SD cards and everything. This is just like a little digital camera, but like literally the effort that they put into this is so cool and like I can't wait to use this. It's gonna be so cool just to keep. And then they literally have this little scrapbook that you can like put your pictures in. So yeah, I'm gonna be picking up scrapbooking as a new hobby. Thank you so much, Milk. I'm incredibly grateful and I'm so happy to have Milk at Ulta. We're down to the last 3, finally. We have this package from Morphe. I got this literally forever ago, but it's so cool. I did want to show you guys on camera because the collection is so beautiful. This is their Forbidden collection. Look at these graphics. They're so stunning. And like, the box is unreal. Palettes are so pretty. I've definitely used them. They're not even in the box anymore, but I did want to show you guys. This one is definitely right up my alley. And then we have this one as well. I was a little bummed. I thought these were going to be like super fun colorful palettes, but they are really pretty neutrals with like pops of color. And we did get a couple new lip liners. We have Lush Lychee and Fresh Fig, Passionate Plum, a little bit deeper. These ones are lip stains. So we have Grape Kisser, Melon Nectar, and Berry Wild. These are really nice. I've swatched them on my hands and they really do leave a good stain. And then we have all of these really pretty like glittery glosses, Lust Potions, and they just look so stunning. I have a bunch of shades in all these fun colors, so I'm definitely going to be trying these out. And then they even sent over a little keychain for the lip gloss, which I think is so cute. I'm a sucker for a keychain. Thank you so much, Morphe. Second to last box we have here is from Neom. I don't know how to pronounce this one. This is also a newer brand for Ulta, and this is 100% natural fragrance brand. And this really cute like newspaper article thing. Like, the effort these brands put into PR is insane to me. It's literally so cute and my favorite thing ever. The first thing we have is the Happiness Reed Diffuser. This is Neroli Mimosa and Lemon Reed Diffuser. I can only imagine this smells absolutely incredible. And then we also have the Perfect Night's Sleep Magnesium Body Butter. Imagine you take an everything shower and you finish with this. I need to do that ASAP. We have the Perfect Night's Sleep Magnesium Bath Milk. Unfortunately, I will not be taking a bath in my apartment, but maybe if I have a house with a bath someday I'll use that. And then we also have the Real Luxury Scented Candle. So this is also with lavender, jasmine, and sandalwood. Literally just like a spa day in a box. Thank you so much, Neom. Oh, they also have the Super Shower Power Body Cleanser. I'm so excited to break into these. We made it to the very last box. We saved the biggest one on the bottom for last. I don't remember what's in here, but it is heavy, so... Oh, yes I do. This one's from Kayali. I love Kayali. They always have the cutest packaging. This one is so heavy. Ugh. New fragrance from them. This is Fleur Majesty Rose Royale number 31. Stunning. Let me break into this and smell it. I love, love, love the Kayali packaging, and this one is stunning. Keynotes in this is Juicy Pear, Sweet Peach, Rose Royale, Pink Peony, Violet Wood, Purple Musk. That sounds incredible. Ooh. Definitely fresh, definitely fruity. I can see me using this a ton during the summertime. And then they always add a bunch of extra goodies. So we have literally playing cards. Look how cute these are. Giant Kayali playing cards. They literally sent over these plates and cups. Like, how cute is this? What do you mean? Are you kidding me? The little teacup. And the inside says layer with love. Like, hello? These are so cute. Thank you so much, Kayali. I love you. And that is it for my PR haul, you guys. I had so much fun opening all of these packages. Again, I just want to reiterate how grateful I am for all of these opportunities and for these amazing brands for sending me so many goodies. Let me know in the comments what you guys are most excited to see me try. And again, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok. I'll leave my handle here. It's at Jada C Makeup Artistry if you guys want to see an in-depth look into any of these products. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys soon. I love you. Bye.